Everybody speak about myself. Shaman and so on. People go about the kind of thing. I don't my hair, well, I suffer. I don't do sell the beer from here. So they're buying up in there. Oh, yes. 2 years, I don't know. What does that mean?